So this is the iPad Pro, and I had ordered it from Apple App Store, and today I have received it. You can see the packaging. It has been quite a good packaging, and it has been shipped via Blue Dart, the courier company, and the packaging has been in very good condition. You can see that here there was a QR code, and the delivery boy asked for the cutout of that QR code so that he can later on enter that in his system. But as far as packaging is concerned, I'm pretty much satisfied with it. So let me quickly unbox it. So you can see that this is Apple Pencil Pro. I have got it under educational offer. And this is my 11-inch iPad Pro. You can see here MRP is 99,900. I have got it in 85,000 rupees approximately, and I will tell you how I actually got it in 85,000 rupees. First of all, I should unbox this one, iPad Pro. Very light. It is actually very light. I was using iPad 5th generation, and after 7 years I have got another iPad, and it is actually very light and slim also. I will be making a detailed video on it very soon. Now I should keep it here. Quickly unbox this Pencil Pro. This one is also very good. Looks light and compact. It sticks out here. I will make a detailed video on it later on, but this was the unboxing of Apple iPad Pro 11-inch.